Hey y'all, if you would like to see how I achieve these soft locks using the Knotless Method, I will show you step by step in this very detailed video of how to achieve this look. So keep on watching. Okay, y'all, so getting straight into it, I'm using the Janet Collection Poetry Locks in 24 inches for her locks. And then to wrap the hair, I'm using Expressions Twist Up Springy Afro Twist in 24 inches. Next, I'll be using that Shine and Jam Extra Hold for those crisp parts. And you also need a rat tail comb for the parting and a crochet needle to crochet the locks. Okay, y'all want to be sure to moisturize and condition your hair prior to any protective style. So I use the ORS Olive Oil Moisturizer, and then I use the Cream of Nature Coconut Milk Detangling Conditioner. It's a leave-in spray. So first you see me moisturizing her hair because, like I said, your hair is going to be locked up in a protective style. So moisturize, moisturize, moisturize is going to be the key to saving your hair from breaking off and, just getting dry during the protective style. Next, you're going to see me spraying the conditioning spray, again, to condition her hair because it is going to be locked up in a protective style. Okay, so here you see me parting the hair, getting ready to prepare for my first lock. I'm using that gel, that Shine and Jam gel, to make sure my parts are crisp. So I put it on my part and then I go over it again with the comb just to make sure my parts are super crisp. I braid the hair down and then I stop halfway through, and then you're getting ready to see me take the lock, open it at the top where the loop is, put one strand of the hair through there and continue to plait down. If I did it too quickly, I'm getting ready to show you guys again what I did in like just a second. So here you see me part it again, plait it halfway down, and then I am getting ready to get a lock. Once I get the lock, I am going to open it up at the top, put one of the strands through. There you see me opening the lock, put one of the 3 strands through of the braid that you just braided, and you're just gonna continue to braid it all the way down. And here's where I kind of switched up my methods. I don't want to confuse you guys, but for here, I actually took that one piece and braided it down with the lock. But then about 6 locks later, I just was like, let me just do a plait without it. So you guys are going to see that way as well. But both ways will show there's no knot. There you see me again showing the crochet lock, open it at the top where you usually put the hook through or whatever. And you're going to add it to your plait braid. Y'all know I'm a little old school. Add it to your braid, one of the 3 strands. There goes the 3 strands. I'm going to put one of the strands through, and then I am going to braid it down tight. I'm parting again, and I'm going to repeat that process over and over until I finish that one section, and then I will begin the wrapping. Okay, so here you're gonna see me take that Afro spring twist hair, and I'm going to also grab my crochet needle and I'm gonna crochet the hair through. So I'm gonna put the crochet needle through the top of the braid. I'm gonna crochet that Afro spring twist through that braid. I'm gonna leave the shorter side, leave a little bit up, like that's the key. You leave just a little bit shorter piece to wrap around, and then you wrap around the top. I usually go around about 4 to 5 times, and then I start wrapping downwards. As you're gonna see, I'm going around the top, the base, about 4 to 5 times, and then now I'm just wrapping downwards. So at this point, you want to just continue to wrap down. As you can see that it is forming the lock, as well as it is not causing any tension on her hair. So I just keep on wrapping downward until I run out of the hair to wrap, and then I palm roll it, and then that creates the lock. I am now getting ready to repeat the same step in that section. So that is what you guys are going to see me do, is take a thumb piece of hair, not a big section at all, just like a thumb piece of hair. And I'm going to take my crochet needle and I'm going to put it through the base of the hair again, and then hook that piece of hair through the Afro spring twist hair, pull it through. Again, make sure you leave the shorter piece. Make sure you leave a short piece and you have a long piece. Wrap it around the base 4 to 5 times, and then just continue to wrap downwards. And you want to make sure that you're wrapping close when you're going down. Make sure that you're wrapping close, and that just makes sure that you're securing the lock, and it's just creating the lock as you're wrapping closely on top of each other. Hope that makes sense, but you're just wrapping it downwards on top of the hair as you're going down, and you're just wrapping until you don't have any more hair to wrap. Okay, so I am still wrapping, and now I'm palm rolling, and I'm going to repeat the same process on the rest of this section of hair. So as you guys can see, I have completed the back half, the bottom half of her hair. So I'm getting ready to start with the top part of her hair. So yeah, halfway through. Okay, so here you see me putting the Shine and Jam on the parts to make sure that they're nice and crisp. So I'm putting that on the parts. I'm gonna part it with my parting comb, and yeah, make sure I get that crisp, clean part. And I'm gonna piece that other piece out the way, of course, so I can plait / braid. I'm old school, y'all, but yeah, I'm gonna braid this piece, and I'm gonna show you guys the other method that I was talking about earlier that I actually started doing like I said 6 locks ago when I was at the bottom. But I am putting the Shine and Jam on the base of the hair just to make sure all the hair strands are in place. You see me spray, I sprayed some of that conditioning coconut spray by Cream of Nature on the ends of her hair, and now I am braiding her hair halfway down. So I'm braiding, and now I am going to take my lock piece of hair, open it up, take one of the strands through, and once I take one of the strands through, I am just going to continue to braid the hair as normal, just a regular plait braid all the way down until the very ends of the hair. I am then going to put the crochet needle through the base of the hair, crochet the hair through the base, making sure that you leave one side long, one side short. And then I am going to wrap around the base either 4 to 5 times just to secure it and make sure that it is intact. And then I'm going to continue to just wrap all the way down until I have no more wrapping hair, and then I will palm roll it. Okay, hey girl, hey, y'all see me making my appearance. But anyways, I'm just gonna let you guys continue to watch how I achieve these soft locks using the knotless method. Yay, we all know how it is when you get to that last piece of hair, that last one. So So as you guys can see, I'm putting that Shine Jam on the base of her hair just to ensure that all of the hairs are going to be intact when I braid it down. Okay, so after that step, as you can see, I'm just going to braid her hair halfway down. So here you're going to see me take one of the 3 strands and put it through the loop of the crochet lock. And then I'm just going to braid the braid all the way down to the very end. Okay, so at this point, you're going to have your braid all the way down, and then you're going to have your lock hair. Just put it together. And then you're going to crochet that Afro spring twist through the base of the hair. I am now going to wrap around the base of the hair 4 to 5 times, and then I'm just going to wrap it all the way down until I have no more wrapping hair left. Okay, so be sure to oil your client's hair after you have finished doing their hair. Their scalp as well as your clients will thank you. So make sure you oil their scalp when you're done. Okay, so I like to add mousse to my client's hair once I am done with the install. It just locks everything into place, as well as it feels really good on the scalp because it's like cold and cool. So it just feels really good on the scalp because it's a coolant. And as you can tell, she is enjoying it. So yes, you guys be sure to add the mousse. Do not skip that step. It just seals everything in place. So add the mousse once you are done with the install of the Soft Locs on your client's hair. Lastly, I like to finish it off with some hair polisher. This is by Design Essentials. The bottle that it came in broke, but that is Design Essentials hair polisher in that bottle, and I just love that stuff. It smells so good, and it just gives the hair a really good shine. I mean, like, how could you not? Like, these Soft Locs using the Knotless Method came out so pretty on her. I definitely enjoyed filming this video for y'all. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And also put down in the comment section if you guys would like more hair content videos, because I definitely enjoyed filming this video for you guys. But until next time, bye y'all.